Hey guys, welcome back to the Furtado Group. I'm Ruben Furtado. As you can see, we're back at Yolanda, and today we're going to deal with what most people deal with on any construction site. It's dealing with the unexpected. So today we actually ran into a situation with some structural challenges that nobody's foreseen, and I want to show you how we actually turned it into an architectural feature. So be sure to check out the video and roll the B-roll. So we're in the front of Yolanda right now, and if you remember, if you've seen the previous video, if you haven't, by the way, you can actually click on the link and that'll take you to the first video. But if you have seen it, you're going to remember that the front elevation of this house had a covered porch all the way across the entire first floor and over the entrance. And what we've done is we've taken that off because we're going to turn around and make this house look more modern. And we're going to do it by, instead of carrying the porch all the way across, we're going to start it. We've actually moved the entrance. We're going to start it between the main window and the front entrance, and we're going to basically carry this L effect that's going to come up and create the new front porch that's going to carry over the garage and cantilever over the garage. And that's going to leave this side now with no covered porch on the top. And what we're going to want to do is that canopy is going to create that kind of horizontal long line, but we want to create some height now. So we're going to take this window that we've basically added the new window. And again, if you haven't seen the original video, go back and check out the old video. But we've now put a much larger window. We're going to do the same window on the very top, and we're going to bound the two windows together by using this black cladded metal. And the windows are going to be black. And we're going to carry that metal all the way down, right down to the bottom. So you're going to have this very long horizontal, vertical line now that's really going to make this dramatic view. So the challenge is that once we remove that covered porch, if you look up, the actual second floor cantilevers over the first floor. So now when we're going to do our front cladding on this, we're going to run into a problem where there would be a step between the first floor and the second floor. So the solution to actually turn this into a really nice architectural feature is we're going to pack out this entire wall so that it's going to be flush with the top and giving it that illusion of that long linear window that's really going to look like what we call a curtain wall. And then the stucco will also carry a nice, really nice long linear vertical line all the way across the top. And then we're going to dress it up with some really nice reveals on the stucco that's going to create this break in certain areas that's going to actually give it that architectural feature. No trim. There's no trim here. Just basically corner bead drywall, right? So when the guys start the drywall after, just make sure they tape this. Which pocket?
Okay. 30 inch.
Yep. Going to be another pocket. Okay. Now remember, we want, in case we want to bring millwork in here, right? Millwork's 24 inches, so we want to make this at least 30. Yeah, that's fine. 30 is good. Right? No. 7 times 12 plus 4, right? Now my closet is 24 inches, so it's going to be 24 times 24. Take away 48. Take away 48. Right? Leaves me 40 divided by 12. It's exactly 3.5 feet the width coming in all the way down. That's perfect. Andrew, the homeowner, just left, and we actually went through and basically took an inventory of all the doors in the property, what sizes they were going to be, because they weren't on the architectural drawings. And here's another really important thing that you want to take into consideration. When you're at this stage, you want to review and see, does it make sense? Like where there was a door near a closet. We figured out, hey, just by moving that door a little bit, now we can have 2 runs of closet space on either side of it. So you're always looking at tweaking things and trying to improve it. Just don't stick with what the original plan is. As long as you're not changing things that are structurally, you shouldn't have any problem during the permit process. So like I said, really excited to show you guys next video because I'm telling you, progress is happening very quickly here. So be sure to check out the next video. Until next time, guys, take care.